But what is one thing about doggy that you like so much?
You see the way they bend you down. You see, you feel it inside your tummy.
Yeah, it feels it. I like it.
You damn shit, baby. What damn papa?
Yo, what's up, guys? It's Free Your Mind, and guess what? I'm on KNUST campus. My name is President himself. This is Free Your Mind on MX24. And guess what? I'm going to be talking to people on KNUST campus. Currently, I'm at Independence Hall, and I'm going to be talking to a lot of people. Don't go nowhere. It's about to go down.
And then I said,
What is the one thing about relationship that if it's not in, it's no for you?
Okay.
Okay.
Sex.
Tell us the impact of sex in a relationship.
Ooh, the impact of sex.
Yeah. Does it bond you guys more? Yeah.
Actually, it actually makes you.
Yeah.
How should I place it? When the person is not around you, you feel for that person, like you want the person to be close with you, and it gives you good memories as well.
very interesting.
What's your favorite sex position?
I like doggy.
God have mercy upon us.
Which one again do you like?
That's all.
Don't you like missionary?
No.
You should like missionary. Missionary is really dope.
You know, I've heard you.
Have you tried missionary before?
Yeah.
Hey, now what can I
But what is one thing about doggy that you like so much?
You see the way they bend you down. You see, you feel it inside your tummy.
Yeah, it feels it. I like it.
You damn shit, baby. What damn papa?
People make it look like the fact that you are in a relationship and you give yourself to the person, you're cheap. What do you think about that?
I think that's a bad idea some of the guys are having. Because a person gives him or herself to you because the person loves you. Yeah. And because of the love, that's why the person is doing that, not because the person wants to see you as cheap or anything. Yeah.
This is facts.
How long does it take you before you give yourself to your guy?
Right now, the way things are, like guys are in just for sex. So if I tell you the time for you to have sex, I can't.
You can't. But previously, okay, initially,
like when you go on like 2 to 3 dates, I think it's cool. But now and then, I have no idea.
Finally, if I let you go, Legon guys, tech guys, UCC guys, which of them are dope?
Oh, tech guys, of course.
Why are you choosing tech guys? Is it because you're on tech campus?
No, tech guys are nice. Like the boys are fine.